The world already has missile defense systems. So what is driving Israel, the United States, and China to race toward laser air defense systems? In recent global conflicts, attacks using low-cost drones and rockets have made one fact very clear. Expensive and heavy defense technology alone is no longer enough. These small weapons are cheap, easy to launch, and fast. When deployed in large numbers at the same time, even traditional defense systems can fail. Military experts call this trend a saturation attack, meaning overwhelming a defense system with more targets than it can effectively neutralize. Traditional air defense mostly relies on interceptor missile systems. These missiles are highly effective but also extremely expensive. Often the drone or rocket being destroyed may cost only a few $100s, while the interceptor missile can cost hundreds of thousands. This imbalance creates a major challenge between defense cost and effectiveness, one that modern military strategy is trying seriously to solve. Recent conflicts have shown this gap clearly. Cheap offensive weapons versus very costly defensive interceptors. One key reason the world is moving toward laser air defense. In this context, military researchers around the world have turned to high-energy laser weapon systems as a new solution. A laser concentrates light energy to such an extent that it can disable a target within seconds through intense heat and focused energy. While the idea may sound small like a common laser pointer, modern high-energy lasers can function as full defensive weapons. The biggest advantage of laser defense systems is that they do not use explosives or rockets. They run on electricity, and when the beam is focused on a target, it can destroy sensitive components, such as sensors, control units, optical parts, or structural points, within seconds. The cost per shot is extremely low, and as long as electrical power is available, the system can keep firing continuously. That makes laser weapons especially effective against drone swarms, where many drones attack at once. However, this technology is not without challenges. Heavy rain, fog, dust, smoke, and humidity can reduce beam performance. Particles in the air scatter the light, weakening the energy before it reaches the target. That is why engineers are continuously working on beam control, power scaling, and adaptive optics to maintain effectiveness in all weather conditions. Major world powers are moving quickly in this field. United States has tested high-energy lasers on naval and ground platforms. China is rapidly advancing laser defense technology. Russia and United Kingdom are also running advanced laser programs. Naval ships are considered especially suitable platforms because they can generate large amounts of electrical power. High-voltage power generation at sea supports stronger and more capable laser beams. Conflicts in the Middle East have also accelerated laser defense programs. Israel has developed its Iron Beam program to counter short-range rockets and drone threats at lower cost and high speed. The system works on a layered defense principle, integrating missiles, lasers, and electronic warfare into a coordinated defensive network. Across Asia as well, defense planners see lasers not as a full replacement, but as a supporting defensive layer. Missiles remain effective for long-range and all-weather interception, while lasers are ideal for close-range, rapid response, and low-cost targets. Laser weapon systems are introducing a new era in defense technology. They can engage targets at the speed of light, do not rely on explosives, and have extremely low cost per shot. Still, challenges remain in power generation, weather resistance, and beam stability. The future of defense will be based on integration and coordination, missiles, electronic warfare, kinetic interceptors, and laser weapons working together. Lasers will not replace everything, but they will significantly improve the speed, cost efficiency, and effectiveness of defense. In a world where threats are becoming smaller, faster, and more numerous, defense systems are becoming smarter, more precise, and increasingly powered by light itself. The future of warfare will not be defined by force alone, but by intelligence, accuracy, and advanced technology.